TWINKO automatic lift switch malfunction. Your TWINKO tower has experienced an error with proper lift operation. The mast raises up and will not come down, creating a beeping noise error. In order to fix, remove the enclosure compartment protecting the upper limit sensor bolt and the down limit sensor bolt. These are the sensor bolts that operate the lift function. Chances are that your bolt is screwed on too tight, resulting in lift malfunction. Each sensor bolt will have three important pieces: the back nut, front nut, and light indicator head module. First, loosen the back nut 3 mm to allow for space to extend the light indicator head 3 mm out. Tighten the front nut to the back nut. Once this step is complete, the light sensor will automatically turn off and the lift will resume proper operation.